electric cars and drive. Cute dolls wave at the door, drinking pretend tea inside the house. We love our journey, we love the fun, playing together until the day is done. So many smiles and adventures new. We want to share this magical world with you. Time to say goodbye and wave. Toy mechanic waves from the billboard, sliding down into colorful ball pits, holding giant